Dear students, good morning to you. Firstly, welcome to DSP channel for online classes. In the previous class, I have described and explained the equations of motion graphically. There are three equations of motion: v is equal to a plus ad, s is equal to at plus half ad square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. All these equations of motion have been derived by graphical method. Okay. Now today I am going to teach the distance time graph for three cases. Okay. Distance time graph for three cases. इसमें तीन केसेस हैं डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ में. It is shown in the figure. देखिए केस फर्स्ट है. ओके, when the body is at rest, the first case है when the body is at rest. Okay, then what will be the nature of the graph? Okay, this is graph in figure first. O, origin of the graph. The time is taken on x-axis and distance is taken on y-axis, right? The time is in second, 1, 2, 3, 4. Distance in meter, 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter, in this way. So when the body is at rest, in this case, the position of the object does not change with time. Okay, the position of the body does not change with time in this case. Hence, it is said to be a stationary. ये क्या कहलाएगा? A stationary. So when the body is at rest, then it is said to be a stationary, and the nature of the graph will be a straight line parallel to the time axis. देखिए इसका नेचर कैसा है? The nature of the graph will be a straight line parallel to the time axis. Okay, this is a straight line and this is parallel to time axis. Suppose this is in 1 second the body covers 15 meters, right? In 2 seconds the body cover also 15 meter. In 3 seconds the body cover 15 meter. In 4 seconds the body covers 15 meter. So you are seeing in this graph that the time passes as the time increases, but the distance remains the same. The distance क्या है? Same है. In this way the body does not, the distance does not change. Distance change नहीं हो रहा. Understanding? And the body is said to be a stationary. इस केस में बॉडी क्या कहा जाएगा? A stationary कहा जाएगा. At rest कहा जाएगा. In this way, okay, the nature of the graph will be a straight line parallel to time axis. Understanding? Which is shown in the figure. जो ग्राफ में दिखाया गया है. As the time increases, but the distance remains the same. In each and every second, the body cover equal distance. Understanding? यहाँ पर 15 मीटर ही कवर करता है, same distance. Understanding? In this case, first second, the body cover 15 meter. Second, okay, 2 second, it also 15 meter. Means the distance does not change. Understanding? Position of the body does not change. So the nature of the graph will be a straight line parallel to the time axis when the body is at rest. Okay. Now let us see the second case. Second case क्या है? When the body is in uniform motion. Okay. When the body is in uniform motion. जब body uniform motion में है, तब what type of graph will be held? ग्राफ किस प्रकार का होगा? And what will be the nature of the graph? Okay, so in this case, when the body is in uniform motion, okay, see this graph. The time is taken on x axis and distance is taken on y axis. It is shown in the figure. The time 1 second, 2 second, 3, 4 in this way, and distance 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter. Okay. When the body is in uniform motion, then in this case, okay, the position of the body changes by equal amount in equal interval of time. In this case, the position of the body changes. Okay, और कैसे चेंज कर रहा है? By equal amount in equal interval of time. Okay, in this case, the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. So according to definition of uniform motion, when the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, so such type of motion is uniform. तो यहाँ uniform है, speed cover कर रहा है, uniform motion. This is the a straight line inclined to the time axis. Understanding? In this case, the body, okay, position of the body changes by equal amount in equal interval of time. And the nature of the graph, what type of nature will be held? So the nature of the graph will be a straight line inclined to the time axis या x axis. Understanding? Which is shown in the figure. देखिए, ये in 1 second the body covers 10 meter, right? In 2 seconds the body covers 20 meters. In 3 seconds the body covers 30 meters. In 4 seconds, the body covers 40 meters. Understanding? In this way, the body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Understanding? So such motion is uniform, and the nature of the graph will be a straight line. Okay, inclined to the time axis. Okay, so this is the straight line. This shows the uniform speed. Okay. In this case, the nature of the graph will be a straight line. वो straight होगा, but inclined to the time axis. As the time increases, the distance also increases. Understanding? So this is the second case. Now, third case क्या है? Third case है when the body is in non-uniform motion. Understanding? Let us discuss third case. Third case, when the body is, okay, in uniform motion. Okay, body is in non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. When the body is in non-uniform motion. Okay, the body non-uniform motion में है, तब nature of the graph क्या होगा? Okay, let us see this case third. Okay, now, okay, dear students, now I am going to describe the third case when the body is in non-uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion का ग्राफ होता है कि when the body, okay, when the graph shows a straight line, then the nature of the graph will be a straight line, then that is uniform motion. And when the nature of the graph is curved, so that is non-uniform motion. So let us know this, when the body is in non-uniform motion, okay, in this case the nature of the graph will be curved line, not a straight line. In this case, the nature of the graph will be curved line. Okay, see the graph. Okay, time is taken on x-axis and distance is taken on y-axis. Okay, as the time increases, okay, the distance also increases, but not uniform rate. Okay, it is non-uniform rate. Okay, in 1 second the body covers here 2 meter. In 2 seconds the body covers 8 meter. In 3 seconds the body covers 18 meter. And 4 seconds the body covers, okay, 32 meter. And In 5 seconds, the body cover 50 meters. So in this way, the body does not cover equal distance in equal interval. Hence, okay, the body is said to be in non-uniform motion. Okay, so in this case, the nature of the graph will be curved line, not a straight line. Okay, and the rising trend slope show the increasing speed. Okay, जब slope rising होता है, okay, the rising slope, increasing slope show the increasing speed, and decreasing slope show the decreasing speed. Understanding? Decreasing, this is rising trend, and this is okay falling. So rising trend show the increasing speed, non-uniform but increasing, and here non-uniform. Okay, it is also non-uniform, but decreasing slope show the decreasing speed. Okay, it is shown in the graph. Decreasing slope show decreasing speed as shown in the graph 1 and 2. 1 में देखिए, this graph show increasing slope, so it shows the increasing speed, and this graph show decreasing. In this case, the speed is decreasing. Okay, so in this case, what will be the nature of the graph? So the nature of the graph will be curved line. कैसा line होगा? Curved. Curved means टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. Understanding? Not a straight. Okay, and increasing slope show the increasing speed, and decreasing slope show the decreasing speed. Understanding? In this step, we have described about 3 cases of distance time graph. When the body is at rest, then what will be the nature of the graph? When the body is at rest, then the nature of the graph will be a straight line parallel to the time axis. Okay, it has been shown in the first case. And second case, when the body is in uniform motion, then what will be the nature of the graph? The nature of the graph will be a straight line inclined to the time axis, that is uniform. Okay, and third case, when the body is in non-uniform motion, then in this case the nature of the graph will be curved line. Understanding? Not a straight line. The rising trend slope show the increasing speed, while the falling trend show the decreasing speed. Okay, in this case there are 3 cases. Okay, now what conclusion do we get from distance time graph? Okay, what conclusion do we get from distance time graph? So we know the conclusion. Conclusion is niskars. Okay, niskars. What conclusion do we get from this distance time graph? डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ से क्या कंक्लूजन निकलता है, क्या निष्कर्ष निकलता है? तो लेट अस वी नो अबाउट दिस. व्हाट कंक्लूजन? इफ द graph is a straight line. Okay, first conclusion, if the graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis, then the body will be at rest. Okay, when the graph show the straight line parallel to the time axis, जब ग्राफ पैरेलल टू द टाइम एक्सिस रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हो, then this shows that the body will be at rest. Understanding? The position of the body does not change, it is stationary. Second conclusion क्या है? If the graph is a straight line inclined to the time axis, यदि ग्राफ inclined to the time axis हो, a straight line हो, but inclined to the time axis, then the body is in uniform motion. तब body क्या होगा? Uniform motion में होगा. The graph shows the straight line inclined to the time axis, then it is said to be uniform motion, and the body is said to be uniform motion. Now third conclusion, if the graph is a curved line, then the motion has non-uniform speed. यदि ग्राफ कर्व लाइन प्राप्त होता है, if we get the graph of a curved line, okay, then it has non-uniform अनयूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, तो बॉडी का स्पीड कैसा होगा? नॉन यूनिफॉर्म, मींस इट डज नॉट कवर इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, इट कवर्स अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, या इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन अनइक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। एंड फोर्थ कंक्लूजन, फोर्थ क्या है? द ग्राफ कैन नेवर बी पैरेलल टू द डिस्टेंस एक्सिस, ओके, the graph can never parallel to the distance axis, understanding? distance axis के parallel कभी भी नहीं graph होता है, time और distance, okay? the graph can never, okay, be parallel to the distance axis, okay? ये आपका distance है, ये time है, तो distance के parallel में कभी भी नहीं होता है graph, okay? you will see in the distance line graph, the graph can never parallel to the distance axis, understanding? तो distance axis के parallel कभी भी नहीं होता है, fourth case है, okay? and fifth case क्यों नहीं होता है? because the distance increases, okay? the distance increases as the time passes। and 5 क्या है? the slope of the straight line to the curve at any instant gives the speed of the object at that instant, okay? 5 case क्या है? 5 point, the slope of the straight line, the straight line का जो slope है to the curve at any instant, किसी भी instant में, so that gives the speed of the object at that instant, understanding? in this case, so there are 3 cases, okay? distance time graph for 3 cases has been described. After that, okay, we read about the circular motion, okay? in the next class we discuss about circular motion and uniform circular motion, okay? uniform circular motion. In the next class I will discuss the circular motion and uniform circular motion, or the speed. We find the speed of uniform circular motion, okay? Now I stop teaching. That's all. Thank you.